the rainforests of Sumatra. This female orangutan is 42 years old. Her third child, a 6-year-old daughter, is still with her. Orangs look after their children for longer than any other primate except ourselves. It will take her 9 years to teach her youngster everything she needs to know about this complex treetop world. She must learn how to collect ants and termites. How to identify at least 200 kinds of edible plants and how to avoid the poisonous ones. And how to judge when fruit, like this durian, has ripened to perfection. A child must be able to judge which branches can carry her weight. And which insect nests are safe to raid. Building up a complete guide to the foods of the forest is a long process. Her lessons, of course, aren't limited to food. There are other crucial skills she must learn if she is to survive in the treetops. Building a secure nest in which to spend the night, for example, takes years of practice. And this is, of course, a rainforest. So all orangs must learn how to make a shelter early in their lives. It rains almost every day, so this 6-year-old has already had plenty of practice. She might live to be 50 years old, and if she too becomes a mother, she'll pass on all this expertise to her own children.